In this video, I'll show you how to edit Instagram Reels. So open up your Instagram. So this video is only for educational purposes only. So I'm going to just click on this. I'm going to click on this camera icon. Hello. 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 Okay, so this was what I was able to record. So what I need to do, you can be able to see a lot of settings here. So this for the test, just type in hi. So click on edit video. Hello. You can be able to see everything you want here, from the text, from the sticker, from the audio, from the ad clips, from the edits, captions, voiceover, filter, a whole lot of them. So once you're done, you're going to be able to click on this. Like once you're done with the edits, you can be able to come on here, add a caption, tag people, add location, and add other required details you love to do. So if you found this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next video.